In new Digication, slides act as the foundation of your ePortfolio pages. Slide backgrounds really help separate your portfolio from others. You can have one large slide or several slides on a single page. It's completely up to you. Before we edit our existing slide, let's add a brand new one first. To add a new slide to your page, click the blue plus button to access the ePortfolios content library. Once there, select the Slide option, and a blank slide should now appear below our selected slide. Our new slide needs content, so I'm going to just add a rich text module by clicking either the blue Add Content button in the middle of the slide or the blue plus button. Both of these buttons do the same thing in this case. For information on rich text modules, see our rich text tutorial. Now we are free to add as much content as we like. If I want to delete a slide, I can click the trash can icon on the far right. Then I simply confirm deletion by typing out the word delete. But now I want to change the background. To interact with the slide's background, select the gear icon that's furthest to the right. We can now choose a content background and a slide background. So the slide background drapes from one side of the page to the other, while the content background sits just underneath all our modules. Simply click Select Image at the very bottom of the window. Then Upload File. Then either click Choose File to browse your computer or drag and drop the item you wish to upload. Once you have your background chosen, you can adjust unique settings such as opacities, repeats, and even fixing the image to scroll with the browser's scroll bar.